Hi everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today we are going to showcase the cards we made using the Greetery's Marketplace dies and stamps for Valentine's Day. They released this back in Christmas and they have some coordinating Christmas stamps and dies that go with it. And then again they released some additional add-ons that go with Valentine's Day. So starting with Marketplace number 1, you can see that these just create these cute little markets. Market buildings, and then Marketplace number 2 is kind of the same thing. It just kind of comes with the dice that create the shell of the building. Then you have Marketplace number 3, and then it also comes with these well, it doesn't come with them, but they have these add-ons called the Marketplace Lover Lane dies, and it creates just kind of some swag and stuff that you can also use with your Marketplace dies. And then we've got the Marketplace Lover's Lane stamp set, and these are the names of the Marketplace. So there you have the items that we've used. I look forward to showing you which cards we created with them. Alright, here are the 10 cards we were able to create with this kit. I made them all shaped cards, and they're basically all the same card, just different colors and different little pieces of swag and a different stamp set on them. I did limit myself to 4 or 5 colors, so they all are kind of the same looking. I did make these into little shaped cards for Valentine's Day. I thought they'd be cute like that. So here is the Marketplace number 1 die. And as you can see, I just kind of pieced together all the little pieces that came with it. And these were just really turned out really cute. And even though they were somewhat labor intensive, they were still fairly easy to do multiples of, just because kind of once you cut them out, all you have to do is assemble them. And so once you picked your color palette, the rest was just kind of easy. Here is Marketplace number 2. And again, this is a shaped card. I did want a shaped card of each of them just to see how hard it would be, because I have to turn these into cards for a ladies' Bible study that my mom is a part of. So I didn't want to make it too challenging on myself. But here you can just see how kind of everything just kind of coordinates together really nicely. And it really did take a lot of the guesswork out of the process because they were so easy to assemble. Like the die cutting was a little bit long, but once you got through that, you basically just glued them all together, picked a couple of colors that you liked. You know, Valentine's Day cards are usually easy to pick colors for. These are Spellbinders colors, except for this little dove here is part of Simon's specialty cardstock. They're velvet cardstock. They're positively velvet cardstock. This is actually, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have mentioned, this is Marketplace number 3. So that's what this little building looks like. And again, it's just kind of all the same idea. I just kind of stamped different little marketplaces on them. I either stamped them with positively saturated ink or heat embossed them with Simon Says Stamp detailed white. And there you have it. This is how the shape card for that one turned out. So there you have the 10 cards we were able to create using this product. And they just turned out really simple, and they were really, really cute. I think they'll be really cute to give out to the ladies at church. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have this kit, I hope that this gives you some ideas of what to do with it. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will chat with you later. Talk at you soon.